If you're watching this video, it's because you have a Motus and you have the Soarchain app and you want to know how to withdraw now that they just went live instead of on testnet. Well, this is the video for you. So the first thing you're going to need to do is actually pull up the app. After that, you want to go to the very top and click the cog wheel and hit reveal 24-word seed phrase. Now, do not share this with anyone at all. Whoever has this phrase might be able to withdraw all your coins. And now we need to download the Phantom app. If you already have this app, you already know what to do next. So this is what the app looks like. It's a wallet for Solana. And since your Soarchain rewards are on the Solana network, you can use this app. So once you get the app open, if this is the first time you ever open the app, it will prompt you to either create a wallet or import a wallet. You want to import a wallet. If this is not your first time using it, to import a wallet, you click in the top left and you click add or connect wallet and then import wallet using recovery phrase. Now just paste in the phrase and hit import. And if you have issues with not being able to swap or send coins or anything like that, that's because you have a brand new wallet. You need to fund it with some Solana before you can pay for the gas fees. And once you can pay for the gas fees, you'll be able to do everything else that I talk about in this video. If you do not know how to send Solana in your account, watch the video to the end or take a look at this video right here and it will walk you through it. And there you go. Now your Soarchain wallet, whenever you earn rewards and stuff, will also go to your Phantom wallet here. So let's hit continue and you'll see here it says account 3, my third account. I have some Solana in here and I have some Soarchain right here. So now I'm going to swap this for Solana. And then from Solana, I'll send it to an exchange where you can withdraw it or anything like that. Let's start by swapping it and let's swap from Soarchain to Solana. In this case, I have 171. I'm only going to sell, let's just start with 25 just for this video. And then you can see your price right here, or you could also swap it to something else like USDC or something. It's all totally up to you. I'm going to use Solana because it's going to be easier to send that to an exchange. So 55 cents, swap. There you go, swap is done. Now do keep in mind that the Phantom wallet is available on your computer as well. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my computer and show you the rest of the recording of me sending from this wallet to my exchange. And if you guys decide to buy your own Motus so that way you can earn a passive income just by driving your car, then definitely take a look at this video, or I have 2 special codes and deals for you in the description down below. So definitely go take a look at those. So here I am now on my computer. Now I did have to import again on the Phantom wallet because it didn't save from my phone. They're separate sign in, so they do that. So I had to hit add and connect wallet and then recovery phrase, and then from here I had to say I have 24 and then I had to type this in. So that's the same thing. Now that I have it set up here, I can sign into it, and here's my Solana address. I'm just going to copy this. So before I show you how to send it to your exchange and sell it for cash, I did want to let you guys know about BlockBit, which is an awesome website that helps you with your cryptocurrency taxes. And if you use the referral link down below, you'll get 15% off your tax plan with BlockBit. Anyways, now that I'm signed in, I'm just going to quickly add that wallet to my BlockBit so that way I can start keeping track of it for my taxes. So here I am on my exchange of choice. I chose Uphold. Here's a video more about Uphold if you want to know about that. And I believe Coinbase would work as well if you want to do Coinbase. So anyways, let's head on over to my Solana wallet here and get my wallet address for Solana. And let's pull up here my Soarchain wallet here and let's hit send. Let's send my Solana. Let's go ahead and send it to that address that I just copied for my exchange. How much? Not all of it. Do not send all of it because you're going to need to hold a little bit back in order to pay for gas fees. And you may also notice that I have $4 in here. That's because I had to import some Solana into this wallet for earlier. So I'm gonna hit this little switch button here, which will switch it from how much Solana I want to send to how much US dollar I want to send. So I just want to send what did I have originally? Was it 55 cents? I'm just going to send 55 cents just for fun of it. So let's go ahead and hit next and send. And there you go. So there you can see right here, I just received the Solana. It's still being processed. It'll be processed here in a second, and then it will make its way to its bank account once I sell it on the exchange for real cash. Well, guys, that is how you sell your SOAR from your Motus Mini earnings. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments down below. The Discord will also be in the description. If you want to know how to earn 3 times the rewards just by driving your car, then definitely consider pairing the Motus Mini with a Hive mapper or a demo. Anyways, thank you for watching. Watch out for scams in this crypto world, and God bless. Peace. Two separate deals for you in the description, or I have two